Introduction to Yoga. Welcome to the world of yoga, where tranquility and inner peace await you. In today's fast-paced society, stress has become a constant companion, causing sleepless nights and restless minds. But fear not. Yoga is here to rescue you from the clutches of stress and pave the way for blissful slumber. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just dipping your toes into this ancient practice, incorporating yoga into your daily routine can have profound effects on both your mental well-being and sleep quality. So grab your mat, find a quiet corner in your home, and get ready to embark on a journey towards relaxation like never before. In this video, we'll explore the powerful benefits that yoga brings to our hectic lives. We'll delve into different types of yoga specifically designed for stress relief and discuss how you can seamlessly integrate these practices into your everyday schedule. And as an added bonus, we'll also uncover the undeniable link between practicing yoga and experiencing improved sleep patterns. So sit back, or rather stand tall with great posture. Take a deep breath in through your nose, exhale any tension out through your mouth, and let's dive right in. Benefits of yoga for mental health. Yoga is not just about stretching and flexibility. It offers a wide range of benefits for our mental health as well. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine can have numerous positive effects on your overall well-being. One of the key benefits of yoga is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety levels. Through deep breathing exercises, mindfulness, and gentle movements, yoga helps to calm the mind and bring a sense of peace and tranquility. This can be especially beneficial for those who are dealing with high levels of stress in their everyday lives. Moreover, practicing yoga regularly can also improve mood and promote a greater sense of happiness. The combination of physical movement with mindful awareness helps to release endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which contribute to an improved emotional state. In addition, yoga has been shown to enhance mental clarity and focus. By bringing attention to the present moment through various poses and breathwork techniques, it allows us to let go of distracting thoughts and cultivate a more concentrated mind. Furthermore, regular practice of yoga has been linked to better sleep quality. By reducing stress levels before bedtime and promoting relaxation through gentle stretches or meditation practices such as Yoga Nidra, individuals often find themselves experiencing deeper restorative sleep patterns. Types of yoga for stress relief. 1. Hatha Yoga. This is a gentle and slow-paced form of yoga that focuses on physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. It helps to calm the mind and relax the body, making it perfect for stress relief. 2. Vinyasa Yoga. Known for its flowing movements and synchronized breathwork, Vinyasa Yoga can help release tension in both the body and mind. By linking each movement with a breath, this dynamic practice promotes mindfulness while increasing flexibility and strength. 3. Yin Yoga. If you're looking for deep relaxation and stress reduction, Yin Yoga might be your go-to choice. In this practice, poses are held for longer periods, typically 3-5 minutes, to target connective tissues and promote overall relaxation. 4. Restorative Yoga. As the name suggests, restorative yoga aims to restore balance by using props such as bolsters or blankets to support the body in passive poses. This gentle practice encourages deep relaxation and rejuvenation. 5. Kundalini Yoga. With an emphasis on breathwork, chanting mantras, meditation, and dynamic movements called kriyas, Kundalini Yoga offers a holistic approach to reducing stress levels while promoting spiritual growth. Remember that finding the right type of yoga for stress relief may require some experimentation. Try different styles until you find one that resonates with you personally. How to incorporate yoga into your daily routine. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine can be a game-changer when it comes to managing stress and improving sleep quality. But how exactly can you make it a part of your busy schedule? Here are some practical tips to help you seamlessly integrate yoga into your day. Start by setting aside specific time slots for your practice. It could be in the morning before work, during lunch breaks, or in the evening after dinner. Consistency is key, so choose a time that works best for you and stick with it. Create a dedicated space for practicing yoga at home. Clear out an area where you can roll out your mat and have enough room to move freely. Make this space inviting by adding plants, candles, or soothing music to create an atmosphere conducive to relaxation. If finding long stretches of time seems challenging, break up your practice into shorter sessions throughout the day. Even just 10 minutes of mindful movement can make a difference in reducing stress levels. Consider joining a local yoga studio or signing up for online classes if you thrive on structure and guidance. Having an instructor will not only keep you accountable but also provide valuable feedback on proper form and technique. Use technology to your advantage by downloading yoga apps or following online tutorials. There are plenty of resources available that offer guided practices suitable for all skill levels. Remember that yoga is about more than just physical postures. It's also about breathwork and mindfulness. Find opportunities throughout the day to incorporate these aspects into your routine, whether it's taking deep breaths while waiting in line or practicing mindfulness during daily activities like washing dishes or walking. By making small adjustments and prioritizing self-care through regular yoga practice, you'll begin to notice positive changes in both your stress levels and sleep quality over time. So go ahead, carve out some me time each day and reap the benefits of incorporating yoga into your daily life. The link between yoga and improved sleep quality. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine not only helps to relieve stress but also contributes to improved sleep quality. The link between yoga and better sleep has been widely recognized, making it an effective practice for those struggling with insomnia or restless nights. Yoga promotes relaxation and calms the mind, reducing anxiety and tension that often interfere with sleep. By engaging in gentle stretching and deep breathing exercises before bed, you can release physical tension from your body and quiet your racing thoughts. Additionally, certain yoga poses specifically target insomnia-related issues such as restlessness, overactive mind, or difficulty falling asleep. Poses like legs up the wall, Viparita Karani, or child's pose, Balasana, help to calm the nervous system and promote deep relaxation. Moreover, regular yoga practice can regulate our circadian rhythm, the internal clock that controls our sleep-wake cycle. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of yoga for improved sleep. Practicing at roughly the same time each day signals our body when it's time to wind down and prepare for restful slumber.